Okay, now let's have an example in subtracting similar fraction. Same thing with adding similar fraction. Kapag nagsasubtract daw po tayo ng similar fraction, ganun din po gagawin. Subtract the numerator, then copy the denominator. Now, let's have example number 1. We have 5 over 10 minus 2 over 10. Now, let's subtract the numerator. 5 minus 2 is equal to, okay, we have 3. And then copy the denominator. Same thing with adding number or adding similar fraction. Take a look of the answer. Meron pa bang common number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, very good. Wala na. So, therefore, ito na po yung ating sagot. Now, let's have example number 2. We have 8 over 12 minus 4 over 12. So, 8 minus 4 is equal to, okay, very good, 4. And then, copy the denominator. Now, check the answer. 4 over 12. Meron po ba silang common number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanilang dalawa para ma-reduce natin to into lowest term? Okay, very good. Anong number kaya ang pwede nating i-divide sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, it can be 2. Pwede rin po. What else kaya yung common denominator nila na mas pwede pang gamitin sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, we have 4. We're going to divide it into 4. Now, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And then 12 divided by 4 is equal to, okay, very good, 3. Now, check the answer again to verify. Baka mamaya pwede pa palang paliitin. Meron bang common number na pwedeng i-divide between 1 and 3? Okay, very good. Wala na. So, therefore, our answer in example number 2 is 1 over 3. Now, example number 3, we have 9 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Let's subtract the numerator. 9 minus 2 is equal to, okay, very good, 7. Then as I have said, since they are the same or similar denominator, just copy it. Then check the answer. Our answer is 7 over 5. Ano nga uri ng fraction ito? Okay, this is improper fraction, wherein the numerator is greater than denominator. Now, how do we simplify it or reduce it into lowest term? Okay, very good. We need to divide 7 by 5. So, 7 divided by 5 is equal to, okay, we have 1. Then next is multiply it. 1 times 5 is equal to, very good, 5. Then subtract. 7 minus 5 is equal to, okay, very good, 2. Now, proceed na tayo sa ating sagot. As I have said kanina, yung quotient ang magiging, okay, whole number. And then, yung remainder natin ang magiging, okay, numerator. And ano ang denominator natin? Exactly. Just copy the given denominator. Therefore, our answer is 1 and 2/5 or 1 and 2 over 5. Okay? Hope it helps you a lot. And if you have any question, text nyo lang or PM nyo lang si teacher. Basta wag lang po susobra or wag nang aabot ng gabi. Mamaya po, another example naman yung the similar fraction naman. Adding and subtracting the similar fraction. Thank you.